Struggling to walk without pain? Let's dive into how chiropractic care and custom orthotics can fix your plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is a pain in the, well, foot. But don't worry, there's hope. Chiropractors can adjust your foot and ankle joints to improve alignment and reduce strain on your plantar fascia. Imagine walking without that sharp heel pain. Custom orthotics support your arch and correct foot mechanics, giving you even pressure distribution and better shock absorption. Together, chiropractic care and orthotics make a dream team, addressing the root causes and promoting long-term healing. So, if plantar fasciitis has you limping, visit a chiropractor. Your feet will thank you.